Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix if mobile data is slow on Motorola G37 power. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, open quick settings panel, just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so check your network. After check your network, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so reinsert SIM card, remove SIM tray and clean SIM card. Again insert SIM card, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so last solution is restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.